I will tell you now. Why did ask lot of different questions? One your house, one your place where did you stay, one. See, IAS will ask a lot of questions from newspaper. Correct. IAS will ask us a lot of questions from different subjects. Who can answer this? Who has questions like this? The way I asked. Okay. Otherwise, also you can become IAS. When you join in a very big training center, they will make you to learn so many things because they know these are all the general questions which is asked. Without going to such coaching center also you can do it if you intuitively, internally you have these questions. Either this should be there or you should go to a big training center. So many question papers will be there. They will make people to learn that and then answer. So two class of people will get. If you have that ability inside you to become you should have a lot of knowledge. Generally, IAS is a program in which it is not within a small syllabus. Up to 10th class, whatever you have learned. English, maths, physics, chemistry, biology, everything. You said microbiology. Your subject is microbiology, right? What is micro? See, I am not asking to some layman. I am not asking to a coolie. I am asking a microbiology student. What is micro means? There is nothing called your point of view. Micro is well defined. What is micro? What is micrometer? What is nanometer? Don't say nano means very, very small. Nano, the word has got a scientific word. It's a scientific word. Micro is a scientific word. Nano is a scientific word. I am asking a microbiology graduate student who passed. You passed, right? Yes, sir. So I am asking you what is micro means. See, you have a degree but you didn't even ask what does it mean. That is also one test. When you assume that you are preparing for a post of a collector. Collector cannot tell no, oh I am worried, I am scared, I am tensed. That means you are not qualified to become that, right? It all done during the training time. But training can be done if you have basic quality. So it needs lot of such practice. But if you want to become something, you have to prepare yourself to become that already. In that mode only you should work. Got it? So it needs lot of internal preparation. Subject preparation is different. I am not testing your knowledge. I am testing your attitude. If you have that attitude, then you can prepare your subjects. Nobody need to guide you. So I told you two types of things. One, you can ask a lot of questions and then keep on grabbing knowledge. Second one is you can go to some training center and then they will prepare you. What some fruits will become ripened. Naturally there is a ripening. Artificially you can also ripen it. Coaching center, training centers are artificially ripening. That also will have ripened look. So two ways, you can become an IAS, go to the best training center and then get trained, spend a lot of money. Other one is naturally, lot of questions, lot of answering. That need to have that sort of a maturity, which need to prepare yourself. Micro means 10 power minus 6. Microbiology means you can zoom up to 10 power minus 6 and see that small things in 10 power minus 6 meter. After microbiology, nanotechnology. Microbiology, that means life is there up to 10 power minus 6. Nanobiology is not there. Nanotechnology only, because from micro to nano, it becomes smaller, life is not there. So up to microbiology, you have life science. Nano becomes physics, technology. So how much good you are in analyzing things? You need not have, no problem. But I asked a lot of questions. Now I will give you a chance. You can ask a lot of questions to me. See, the world is open. So there is nothing stops you to learn. Anywhere, anytime you can open the computer, open the mobile, you can enter the world and then see and learn. Number one. Father, mother is not a big support. I lost my father when I was 4 years old in an accident. That doesn't matter whether father is there or not. Whoever has got father, they become great. Duryodhana had his father. Did Duryodhana become great? Dharmaputra lost his father. Did Dharmaputra become bad? No. All that is immaterial. It all depends on our attitude and how much you wanted to become good. The way you invest your time. How are you going to look at life? What is that you want? Are you involved in these small matters or a big matter? Whether you become civil service or IAS, all that doesn't matter. See, today I got one email. When I opened it, I don't know the person who answered it, but they said, yeah, because of your guidance, my daughter is now going to US for a higher study in so and so place. When I saw, when did I had a conversation? Oh, 2016, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 6 years back. So 6 years back means that student would have been in 6th class or 7th class. That time what guidance I gave, the answer is coming after 6 years. So after 6 years also they remember, oh, there is a person who guided them. Otherwise they need not give me a email, right? And that too from Doha. So 2016 I must have gone there. They must have seen me. We had an interaction. I don't remember. But they, and mother is a doctor. So she wrote. Even face I don't remember, the child I don't remember, what dialogue we had we don't remember. So we influence society in different way. Correct? Every day I may not get that feel, oh, I should help somebody. But when such email comes, we remember. So what we do today matters to somebody's life in some point of time. Now you told that Miriam I saw. During Miriam only 10 people will interact. Maybe 5 people, only 5 questions they can take in 20 minutes. But after Miriam, people approach the TV and then get my telephone number, talk to me. There are millions of people like that who contacts. So these are all triggers. Even today, what discussion we have? All my UPSC students, when they ask, all that interaction is also put into a YouTube channel, and then I send you that. The link also I had sent you. That is there, YouTube, Dr. TPS, YouTube, UPSC. If you type how to read a newspaper, how to grab knowledge, how to study about Indian Constitution, how to study history, how to study geography, how to study Vedic knowledge, all that samples are there. Even today, this interview, whatever discussion we had, I may put what I am telling to you with your picture or without your picture. That depends whether you want to put your picture or not. Otherwise also I will put my picture and your question may not be there, but my answers will be there. Because this is a generic answer. Anybody can use it. Understood? So I did not record your voice. Only my voice is recorded. Understood? So it all depends on what context who is doing is unimportant. We all gain knowledge, we all give knowledge. That possibility is there in this world any point of time. It is not your father and mother is going to teach you. When you were young, father and mother has to teach you. Even when father and mother is there, for young children, somebody will be there to teach them, right? That is all the responsibility. After that, the responsibility is not there. I am not going to my village. That doesn't mean I don't know my village. Today, using internet, I speak to my people on internet. I keep a Google Meet with my people who are all my old friends in my village. All that we do. It's all in your thinking. You want to connect to the world, it's simple. You don't want to connect to the world, it's logical reasoning, analytical skill, decision making. All these are also part. English, that's also very important. So which book I have to read for English, don't ask. 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th class English, if you know the grammar. Some people don't know the grammar. Dr. TPS grammar, Dr. TPS tense. You will see YouTube there. And all these are made for children who wanted to become civil service. They had dialogue with me. See, we have given almost 12 hours to meet, You should have prepared a lot of questions. These are all the questions which I wanted to ask. And if you know how to prepare questions, how to ask questions, definitely you will know how to learn also. And maybe after, I thought I have sent you one book. I also send you YouTube link. If you have opened and then seen, you should have written. I was seeing whether you have commented somewhere. No comment. So I know you have not seen those YouTube. Even that book also, many places it is explained. So Civil Service Prelims Handbook, Dr. TPS. Many people read that paragraph, come and ask me question. YouTube also you can see. Civil Service, Dr. TPS. If you type, that book being explained. Prepare, make notes. The way when you look at the notes, you must be able to, you take notes while reading. So that from the note you have taken, you can make notes. So I keep saying take note, make note. Take a note while hearing or listening, reading, take a note. Make a note after that. So how precisely you can write. That is précis writing. In English you write précis writing. How to make a paragraph. How to make a paragraph so beautifully that everything is explained clearly well. Actually general knowledge comes from the international page and national page. International page, that is why newspaper reading, Dr. TPS. I explained there how to read newspaper. All the questions what you are asking already asked by many people, and I have a video there with example. Or what you can do is you can take a newspaper, read that thoroughly, and then come back to me, say that any subject you decide what is that you want, you take that and then come back to me on a discussion. How to take optional subject, which one to be selected, you read that book, it will tell you how to choose your, because that comes after your prelims, right? But there is some clue given on how to prepare for your optional subjects. See, these all depends on your caliber. There are a lot of websites available where you can practice writing examination questions, all that you can practice. There are, I don't know whether you followed Unacademy. They used to be free. Now it is made paid. There are sample questions available, sample answers you can send. They will give comments. All that is possible. Or when you read a newspaper, we can have a dialogue. I will ask you how much you understood from that. When you explain, I know, oh, this is not good enough. This is how you should prepare for that. So we can have such dialogues. Generally, Hindu newspaper, when they give Hindus views. But if I ask you whether NATO's involvement in Afghanistan, give a view by you. So we should give in point of view of India, because you represent India. So how India as a nation is looking at the Afghan problem. Yeah, national interest is because you are Indian Administrative Service. If I ask you what is your view on vaccination in India, you cannot tell that Modi was wrong, Modi was bad. That is another test to find out whether you have a national view. Because you are supposed to work under government. And if you are a person who wanted a Marxist fellow who want to criticize all the ruling government in the country, you are unfit. Normally you are unfit. Assume that you want to know how India's religious freedom. You are a person who is criticizing religious freedom. Then you cannot be a collector, no. Why am I testing you? To check whether you will become fit in the government or not. It doesn't matter whether it is BJP government or Congress government or Marxist government. Whichever government, I must be part of the government. That is must. That is what you are supposed to be. Yeah, there is a pattern in essay writing. The pattern should be, there are many ways how to analyze a paragraph. The first paragraph and the last paragraph. The first is the introduction, last is the conclusion. If I read both, I will understand the whole essay. Rest of the thing is how to establish from this objective and scope to the conclusion. Between that, I am bringing up a story, bringing up a methodology to prove that what I am saying is correct. That is how you should write. So if I am a person who is looking at an essay, I will only look at the first paragraph and the last paragraph. I don't have to read inside. I know, oh, this person knows how to write a paragraph. Useless people will start reading from every part. I don't do that. Even a book to complete Dr. TPS doesn't take much time. I will only read little part and then, oh, I know this author is good. Essence I will get very fast. Title is good enough to understand what is inside the story. Newspaper reading is not a big job. When the title I will know, oh, this is what it is. Then I will read the last one sentence or first one sentence. Oh, I understood what is inside. Correct? Because when you work in a government office, you have this much big file. From that you have to make a half-page note and then send it to minister. That is IAS job. So how do I read that whole thing? It will take months together. And how many such files will be there? You cannot spend all the time. So you are a good person who knows essence of it by just reading here and there. Ministers are also like that. They will not read everything. They will just read one or two questions they ask, then they know, oh, this is the problem. See, I have got a book on emotional intelligence for corporate communication. Emotional intelligence is not by reading books. It is by interacting with people. Satsang matters. I teach Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita is one of the best Bible book for emotional intelligence. But reading Bhagavad Gita, you don't understand. How are you going to analyze it? So I don't believe in reading. I don't believe in teaching. I don't believe in listening to lectures. When I teach Bhagavad Gita for 1.5 hours, half an hour, 45 minutes maximum class, then question answer. So it needs a lot of questions answer. You should have a lot of questions. You know the problem, you can pose it, you get answers. That is what is required. And don't think there is an imbalance. Oh, I am not happy, nothing is happening. That is there for everybody. Not happy is a very good thing. You are happy in what you are and you are not progressing is a very bad thing. See, there are so many people, so many laborers are there. So many people are having a lot of problems, but they don't even think about their problems, right? So I keep saying uncomfortably comfortable. And some people are comfortably uncomfortable. So you look at comfortable, uncomfortable, Dr. TPS, you will see a lot of discussions. Okay, the other day also we had conscious living, one topic. Today only just I am uploading. When I am talking to you, the uploading is happening in the other window. Conscious living. I am being conscious about how to live in this world. What should I do to become more consciously aware? My time is invested for right purpose. Okay, I am aware that I am not making my child some be a damned teacher. I am making my child a good human being, which needs a shaping in their life. That is essential. Not in studies, in any pattern in life, it is the way you wanted you to be. There is a want in me. Oh, I want to be like this. I need not become that. But how consistently you have that want and how much you put into practice. That's what I said. I have a desire. And that desire need not be practically possible. But if I keep on looking at my desire, some portion of that will come into my practice. So how strong desire you have, right? That is essential. Then you will find time. If you have a desire to talk to me, you find time, no? Though you wanted to go to hospital, take your child to hospital, still you found time. So you wanted that to happen, therefore you did it. That will become possible by enforcing yourself. Oh, I want to become this, I want to become this, I want to become this. If you may become that or not is a different matter. Do you get that quality? Or maybe you couldn't become that, but do you want many people in this world who want that you can help? Oh, this is how I did. If you do this, my time is out. But if you do this, you can become that. I could never become a teacher professionally, but I wanted to become a teacher. Professionally, I become a scientist, but I wanted to be a teacher. So what do? I make a lot of good teachers. I keep on talking to teachers. This is my idea of teaching. See, it all depends. If you ask me, I like mathematics. I'm a mathematician. Basically, I'm a mathematician. So my concentration is mathematics. But assume Savita doesn't like mathematics, you like biology. How can I tell that this is what you should concentrate? But geography is my most important subject. I love geography. I love history. Maybe biology I like less because I don't remember most of the words. The terminologies are not very good for me. I didn't study from 10th onwards, I didn't study. Up to 10th class, I studied only in Malayalam medium. So how do you expect me to know biological terms? Very difficult for me. So it all depends on your background and how you prepare yourself. Yeah. So there is no single rule. See, you cannot listen to somebody's lecture saying that there are a lot of people who misguide. That is one of the biggest problem. You listen to how to prepare for IAS, somebody will say this part is very scoring, you can do that, and you think that he is correct. Actually, that is foolish. You cannot tell that. I cannot give a single prescription. Which food is very tasty? If somebody asks, how do I tell? It depends on your basic style in which you live. I like kanji. Just because I like kanji, can I tell everybody likes kanji in the world? Just because somebody likes chicken biryani, can everybody say that everybody? No, that is not. Your scoring depends on which is your comfort level. So many misguiding items are there. So assume you have a disease. Why should you go to doctor? You know, dry cough, this is the medicine. No, that is not good enough. You have to have a diagnosis to know what medicine, how much dosage is to be given. Similarly, in examination also, which portion, who can do, what can do, depends on each case by case, it can be varied. This should come from inside, that question. I just wanted to know whether you are a learner. When you are a learner, you keep asking. But you are a person who prepares for examination. Then what is told, generally you will learn that. That's why I asked you, there are two sets of people. One who prepares. That means you have, oh, we wanted to prepare, you wanted to get a job. Another one is internally. Dr. TPS is studying not for any purpose. I love to learn. That should be the way of learning, so that yeah, you may not get a job which is essential, but you feel, oh, I know the subject. Ultimately, what is life? It is not money which gives you something. Okay. It is not, comfort zone is not what gives you a great life. It is internally, how do you feel? Yeah, I am good. Yeah, that has to come only when you think that I am growing every day. I am learning. Today I learned a lot of things. That's great.